What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Oneplus Open Foldable smartphone is launching in September, late September or either in the early October. Now what we know about this smartphone or the foldable smartphone from this flagship company for the very first time is that it will be coming with a 7.8 inch of a 2K display inner AMOLED panel, and it's going to be a high refresh rate, and it's going to be a direct competitor towards the Smasung Galaxy Fold 5 which has been launched recently. Now we have also seen that the Samsung is indeed dominating the foldable market for the long time, but it seems like the things are going to change, as even the outer display of the Oneplus Fold or the Oneplus Open foldable smartphone is going to be 6.3 inch of an AMOLED display with a high refresh rate of 120Hz, and you will all be getting the HDR10 plus content support on this smartphone. And the phone will be running on Android 13 out of the box, which is a bit of a disappointing as the smartphone is launching in October. It should be launching with the Android 14 out of the box. But overall, the processor of this smartphone is going to be a flagship one with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, what you also know about this smartphone is that about its battery and the charging speeds. Now, the battery capacity of this smartphone for the Oneplus Open is said to be a 4800 mAh battery and a 67 watt of fast charging. Now, the charger will be included in the box itself, and it will also be supporting wireless charging and the reverse wireless charging. Now, what we also know is that about its camera section, as the cameras are going to be decent enough and better than the Samsung's Galaxy Fold 5, at least on paper for now, as it will be coming with a 48 megapixel of a primary camera, a 48 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and a 64 megapixel of a periscopic camera, which Samsung does lacks. Now, the selfie camera is going to be of 32 megapixel on the cover display, and the internal selfie camera is going to be of 20 megapixels in the form of punctual selfie camera. Now, the base storage in the variant of this smartphone is said to be of 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, and you will also be getting the OnePlus iconic alert slider on the Oneplus Open. Now, the Oneplus Open is indeed a unique looking smartphone, and the triple camera setup and the Hasselblad branding is indeed coming back to the flagship experience for the OnePlus smartphones. And also, you can expect this price of this smartphone to be at around $1,500 to $2,000 in the US market, and the conversion you can do according to your location. Now, what do you think about this smartphone? Are you planning to buy a foldable smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is it worth more money for buying a new flagship smartphone from the OnePlus, or will you consider buying the Samsung's 5 years of generational upgrades of Samsung Galaxy Fold 5? Let us know your thoughts in the community poll, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.